Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First I would like to explain the colors of the Rubik's Cube. It has 6 colors. One is white, opposite to white is yellow, and the other one is red. Opposite to red is orange, and the other one is blue, opposite to blue is green. Okay, let us shuffle the cube. Right pieces. I hope the cube is shuffled enough. We can start the solving methods. Step 1. Solving the white rows. So keep the white centerpiece at the top of the cube. First I would like to explain the cubes, name of the pieces in the cubes. There is centerpiece and edge piece and corner pieces. Okay, the centerpiece is sitting at the middle of the cube and the edge piece is sitting in between the two corner pieces, and the corner pieces are sitting at the corners of each sides. Okay, let us do the first step, which is solving the white cross. So this can be done manually. So I hope everyone can do it easily. uh, First let us keep the white centerpiece at the top of the cube. Then you can bring each piece of white one by one in order to make a cross, white cross. So he will make one by one each edge piece at the top. Yes, probable. And to make the other one, he does good. And one more. Yes, he has done the white cross. Yes, now the white cross should match with each of the color. Just see, the blue is matched with its edge piece, but the green is not matching with it. Okay, it is sitting closely to the red centerpiece. So to bring the white edge piece along with the green piece, you have to bring it to the green side. So he has to do 180-degree down, and he has to turn to the respective color side, and he has to make it again 180-degree. Yes, so the orange and white edge pieces is down. Now that he will bring closer to that orange, and now again 180-degree up. Yes, now you see the orange and white edge piece, it is matching with that. Yes, now similarly he can do the other colors, white and red. White and red, he has to move towards a white middle piece and then 180-degree up. Now you see it is matching. Yeah, now only the white and green is not matching, so he has to bring manually to the center green piece. Now 180-degree up. Good. Now the white cross is formed. Okay, now the second step is to solve the other white colors closer to this white cross. Okay, so we have to apply this algorithm R prime D R D prime. So he can do one by one. So prior to that, you have to check the corner pieces color. So for example, if you are doing for blue side, you have to bring the corner piece with blue, white, and the right side which color is situated, it's orange. So that orange, blue, white, and orange, that piece you have to search and bring it to the down to where it has to brought upwards. Okay, so now I think he has brought it already. He can show that orange, blue, and white is so after bringing it at this point we can start doing this algorithm r prime d or d prime. Yeah, r prime d or d prime. You can do multiple times until it gets solved. R prime d or d prime, r prime d or d prime. Yes, now it's solved. The white color has gone up, the blue color has come to the blue side, and the orange color has gone to the orange side. Now similarly you can do the other whites in the same way. So now orange, white and green piece you have to look for that, and you have to bring at the lower corner side to which it has to be brought upwards. Yes, so now the piece is here, so he will drag down and he will do the algorithm in order to solve it. Yeah, yeah, he's taking it down and he's doing. Now he is bringing this piece to the orange side. Yes, now we can do the algorithm. Or prime d or d prime. Yes, now this point is solved. Now the remaining white is white, green and red. It is so you have to find out where it is and you have to bring to the lower side to cherries be brought upwards. Now we can do the algorithm r prime d or d prime. Yes, that is solved. So now the white color and the first layer is solved. Yeah, now the solving the second layer. So you have to keep that cube 180 degree down. Now the so that the white color facing downwards. Okay, the yellow centerpiece has to come upwards. Okay, so now the middle layer or second layer, whatever it may be, so you have to find the edge piece which has to be brought into the respective side. For example, is of yeah, keeping the blue side. Now if you have to find any blues and middle pieces, sorry, edge pieces can be brought into this side. Yes, there is an edge piece with color red and blue in the third layer, so you have to bring it to the blue side. So in order to bring it to the second layer you have to do this algorithm, and if you are keeping in the left hand side of that edge piece and it has to be brought to the right hand side, you have to do the algorithm EA 3A algorithm, or U R prime U prime F prime U prime F. Okay, so now he can start the top, the color which is facing upwards, that is red, it will go to the side of the cube. The color which is towards the left hand side, that will go in front of that will come in front of you. So just keep any one point in your mind. I think it is easy to keep in mind that the color facing upwards will be going towards your right hand side. Okay, so now we can do the algorithm A 3A R U prime R prime R U R prime U prime F prime U prime F. Yes, now it is solved. Similarly, you have to find other edge pieces possibility. Anything is available? Yes, one orange and blue is there. So orange and blue has to be brought towards the side. So you cannot do the algorithm 3a. I think you have to keep it this side. So if it is in right hand side, you have to do the algorithm 3b. Yes, now we can do the 3b algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U, F, U, F prime. Yes, now it is solved. So now remaining H pieces possibility you have to find out. Green and red. Green and red can be brought down. So green has to go to the right hand side and the red has to go in front of you. So you have to keep in the left hand side. So now we can do, as you are keeping in the left hand side, you have to do the algorithm 3a. Now we can start the algorithm. R U R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F. Yes, it is solved. Yes, now we have to look for the remaining pieces to be solved. Now green and orange is there. So this has to be brought into the right hand side, so you have to keep that H piece to the left hand side. The, the H piece orange is facing upwards, so it will go to the right side of your location where you want it. So you can start the algorithm 3a. R U R prime U prime F prime U prime F. Good. I hope that all the pieces in this second layer is solved. Yes, good. That's great. So now we are going for solving the yellow color. So before that, as a first step, yellow cross should be formed. So in order to form yellow cross, you have to do the fourth algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime. At the very first time you will get one line. You may not get also, if you do repeatedly you will get one line of yellow color. Then in the second time you will get the yellow cross. So he can do it again. Yes. Yes, it is done. So yellow cross is formed. Now you have to solve the whole yellow color. So you have to do the next algorithm. Yes, now if you do this fifth algorithm, we can solve the yellow color. If four yellows are formed like a square shape, you have to bring towards the left hand side closest to you. Now we can start this algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Yes. So now see the four yellows are formed already. Now also the four yellows like a square in both sides. So you can keep any one of the square and towards your left hand side, and again you can continue this algorithm again and again until it gets solved. All the yellow colors are solved. Yeah. he will continue that. Or u r prime u or u2 r prime. Yeah, now bring that four yellow color, like square shaped yellow color, towards your left hand side closest to you. Yes, now we can do that. He can do that. Or u or prime u or u2 or prime. Yes, if three lines are formed like this, you can keep that just exactly facing opposite to you, and you can do this same algorithm. Or u or prime u or u2 or prime. Now bring that yellow square towards your left hand side. Now you do the algorithm again. Or u or prime u or u2 or prime. Bring that yellow square close to your left hand side. Or u or prime u or u2 or prime. Yes, so the yellow color is solved. Now only the third layer, which is a final layer, it has to be solved. Okay, the sixth step, we can go for the sixth step. Yes, now the corner pieces you have to solve. Some corner pieces are not yet solved. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to do this algorithm so that the corner pieces will be solved. So he can start by facing the corner pieces as much as solved. You have to keep at the back side. Okay, then you have to do this algorithm. Only the orange piece has been solved to some extent, so he has kept it opposite to his face. So right now he is going to start the sixth step algorithm. R prime f r prime b2 or f prime or b2 r2. Yes, yes. Now you see corner pieces, he has to bring it to the respective colors. Yes, now all the corner pieces are solved, only the edge piece is pending. Okay, so now he can do with any of the side because it is equally solved, so he can keep any of the side towards him and he can do the algorithm. Yeah, last step, f2 u or prime l f2 or l prime u f2. Yes, now one side is solved, three sides are not solved, so the solved side you have to keep it opposite to you. Now we can do the same algorithm so that the cube will be solved. f2 u r prime l f2 r l prime u f2. Yes, now if you see all the four sides, Now it is not at solved, so he can do this algorithm again. Yes, F2 U R prime L F2 R L prime U F2. Yes, that's the end. The cube is successfully solved. So this is one of the easy method to solve the 3x3 Rubik's cube. There are a lot of methods, but this is the most easiest method, I guess. So you can do it. I hope that you all understand and you can try it out, and you will feel very happy on solving this one completely. So thanks for watching.